That humming in your basement is your defense against flooding. But when it stops, should you repair or replace it? Even a brand new pump is useless during a storm if the power goes out, leaving your basement completely unprotected. And with the power on, a silent overheating motor can be a ticking time bomb for a sudden total shutdown. These sudden failures show why the repair versus replace decision isn't just about cost, it's about preventing disaster. In this video, we'll give you a clear framework, the key failure signs, the financial tipping point, and modern upgrades. So, where do you begin? Let's examine the most common points of failure that you can often spot yourself. First up is the float switch, the single most common mechanical part to fail. It tells the pump when to turn on. A simple float switch repair seems cheap, but on an older pump, it's often a warning that other components are also wearing out. Next, listen for constant cycling. A failing check valve lets water flow back, causing constant use that shortens the pump's lifespan. Finally, look for visible rust or corrosion. This isn't just cosmetic. It weakens the housing and can lead to electrical failure. But what if your pump looks and sounds fine? Some of the worst failures come from problems you can't see. We'll show you next. The first hidden issue is size. A pump that's too powerful for your needs will short cycle, turning on and off rapidly. Conversely, an undersized pump will run constantly during heavy rain, unable to keep up, and will burn out when you need it most. Another hidden problem is the discharge line. If it's clogged, frozen, or sloped wrong, water has nowhere to go. Even placement matters. A pump on gravel sucks in debris that grinds away the impeller, the part that actually moves water. So, these are the invisible killers: incorrect sizing, blocked lines, and debris intake. They cause failure without obvious warning. You've found an issue, visible or not. Now for the big question, is it actually worth repairing? Here's the most important rule of thumb. If the cost of a repair is more than 50% of the cost of a new pump, you should replace it. You're investing a large sum into an old machine with worn parts and no warranty. A new pump gives you a fresh start for not much more. Also, beware of repeated small fixes. A $150 repair this year and a $200 repair next year often cost more than a single replacement. And what about those hidden dangers? A botched DIY repair can lead to water damage that dwarfs the cost of any new pump. This is why for a pump over 7-10 years old, proactive replacement isn't an expense. It's insurance against a multi-thousand-dollar flood. Okay, the math often points to replacement. But what do you actually gain by upgrading to a modern system? Modern pumps offer peace of mind. Wi-Fi connectivity sends an alert to your phone if there's a problem, even when you're on vacation. They are also incredibly efficient. New models use significantly less energy than older pumps, paying for themselves in electricity savings. And recall the power outage risk we mentioned? A full system replacement should include a battery backup for ultimate protection. Finally, an effective new pump prevents the lingering moisture that leads to mold and musty odors, protecting your home's air quality. So let's connect the dots. A failing float switch on a 10-year-old pump isn't just one broken part. It's a symptom of system-wide failure. And when a repair hits that 50% cost threshold, you're not just choosing fixed or new. You're choosing old tech versus a safer system. The decision is a balance of 4 factors: the pump's age, the repair cost, the frequency of problems, and the value of modern upgrades. Let's put this all together into a simple checklist you can use to make a confident decision right now. Ask yourself, is the pump over 7 years old? Is the repair over 50% of new cost? Have you had multiple recent issues? If yes to 2, replace. Ultimately, the decision to repair or replace your sump pump is a calculated risk. Repairing buys you time. Replacing buys you certainty. You are now equipped to move beyond a simple fix and make a strategic choice for your home's safety and your own peace of mind. Don't wait for the next storm to test your luck. Assess your system this weekend. If in doubt, a professional inspection is the smartest first step.